Welcome back, everyone. Al here. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to do another head-to-head. We got the Ryobi Brushless hammer drill driver against the Milwaukee Gen 3 hammer drill driver. Both of these I'm going to be using either the 3 amp hour or the 6 amp hour batteries. First test I think we're going to do is the paddle bit or spade bit self-feeding brand new 1 inch. We're going to see how many holes it can drill in a certain amount of time and see if we can maybe overheat these like the DeWalt did, just out of curiosity, see if it works. I also picked up two 4-inch thick by 12-inch wide bricks. We're going to do some drilling into the concrete bricks there. I got a couple large, like 1-inch bit and 3/4 inch bit. We'll see what they can do. Fresh out of the package. I'll show you cutting these open, so I'm not cheating. I know how critical you guys can get brand new 1-inch paddle bits. Okay, self-feeding spade bit. I'm doing drill mode. Gear 2. We're going to see how many holes we can do on my grid here within, let's say, 2 minutes. Okay? I know there's a couple screw holes in here, but we're just going to drill around those. I got everything marked off. So, ready, set, go. Pause that. I'm going to put the handle on. Resuming right now. Oh, light's blinking. See that? Oh, I broke it. I might have overheated it. You guys see that? Nothing. There we go. Alright, so 2 minutes I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 holes in 2 minutes. And drain it down 2 bars of the HP 3 amp hour battery. And it didn't even really get warm. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, let's write that down. So 19 holes, 2 minutes. Okay, ready? Your marks? Get set. Go. already marked the ones that I knew were pre-existing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24 and a quarter. Wow. That is crazy. This thing is so fast, it's not even funny. And it used 2 bars of the 3 amp hour battery. You see that? 2 bars. Boop. There you go. So test number one, the Spade Bit Test. You could clearly see that Milwaukee outperformed the Ryobi with 24 holes, and one we were about a quarter of the way through, and the Ryobi was at 19. So much faster. It only stalled a couple times, where the Ryobi stalled quite a few times on high. Next test is the Masonry Test. We're going to pop in a 1-inch Masonry bit and see how many holes we can drill within 2 minutes. I know 1 inch is probably overkill for these drills, but I just want to see if it can do it for fun. Okay, let's go to that footage. So for the hammer drill test, we're going to use brand new Bosch 3/4 inch Masonry bit. We're going to see how many holes we can drill into this 4-inch thick by 12-inch long brick within 2 minutes. Okay, the timer going right here. Forgot to show you guys, it was a full battery, granted down 1 bar, using a 6 amp hour HP battery. Alright, I got 2 holes, and almost all the way through 3. Now this drill bit does have carbide teeth. I just opened it, so it's safe to say that it's good for more than 2 holes. So all you guys out there are going to say, oh, you didn't change a bit. These are expensive. They're about 20 bucks a piece, so I only have 1. Full 6 amp hour battery on the Milwaukee. We're doing it as well in speed 2, high. Reset the timer. Reset. That thing killed my hand. Holy cow. That was pretty close, actually. So actually I think the Ryobi did a little bit better. Yeah. And I know I actually stopped the Ryobi, I think 5 seconds more than I did the Milwaukee. So on this test, I want to say the Ryobi did better. Not by much, but you know, maybe by an inch. Test number 2, we're going to see how long it takes to drill 1 hole with the big 1-inch Bosch bit. Okay? Bam! We're going to do 1 hole with the Milwaukee, 1 hole with the Ryobi. and see which one can do it faster. Alright, reset. On your marks, get set, go. "47 seconds. Bam. Same thing, reset, ready, set, go. He almost stalled out there towards the end. Pretty close, pretty close. Alright guys, I hope you liked that quick little tool review of the Milwaukee Hammer Drill Driver Gen 3 and the Ryobi Hammer Drill Driver Brushless. I know I kept it short. It's been wicked cold here in Minnesota right now. I think it's about 15 below zero, so I'm freezing my niblets off. The Spade Bit Test, the Ryobi did 19 holes in 2 minutes. The Milwaukee did 24 and a quarter, so 5-hole difference. I mean, granted, it's not, I'm not using every single second. I had to stop, brush off, and it stalled a couple times, so it's just a rough estimate. The whole test, the Masonry Bit Test, I'm sure a 1-inch Masonry bit is way overkill for these drills. I mean, this is a compact hammer drill. So, I gotta look up, see what this exactly is rated for, how big of a drill bit. But they each did 2 3/4, 2 holes, like 3/4 of the way through the final hole. The Ryobi did maybe a ½ inch more. Anyway guys, thanks for all the support. Smash that like button. I'm so close to getting up to 1,000 subscribers, and when I do, and you guys have been waiting for it, here we go. This is what I'm going to give away. You can pick whether you want the new Ryobi, I can't talk today, the new Ryobi brushless reciprocating saw, or the Makita subcompact reciprocating saw. Now both these tools are new, except for I have cut a couple 2x4s with them. So I'll put them back in the box and ship them to you, but they have been gently used, Video of these two head-to-head will be coming out pretty soon. So there you go. Subscribe, guys. I'm going to put out a video how to win these here in the next week. But you can pick either one, just because I love you guys so much. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see the giveaway video for these two bad boys. Yeah, guys, appreciate the support. Leave me a comment. Have a great day. See ya!